how to find your QR code on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your QR code on Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your app, and once you are here you're gonna find friends at the bottom beside the camera icon. Click on it, and here you have no videos from your friends. Add more friends to see their posts, and you have connect friends, connect contact, and your QR code. Click on it, and they're gonna give you your QR code. So easy and quick. Now your friends can scan this QR code to find your account automatically. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.